Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some bathroom accessories that I want to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright everyone, we have some gem stickers here that I got from Dollarama, but these sizes are also sold at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Michaels. And we got this from the Dollar Tree, and the toothbrush holder from the Dollar Tree, and the lotion or soap dispenser, whichever one you want to use it for, and our soap dish. We have the round mirror here from Dollar Tree, and this is a Lazy Susan that I had used from before. It's also from the Dollar Tree. And we have these gems from the Dollar Tree, the stone gems, crystal stone gems. And I have some crushed glass here that I have a little bit left over from Michael's. And we have the small glitter that we'll be using. And we have some Mod Podge. And we have our tools and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have our crushed glass and our Mod Podge. And we'll be adding them going all the way around the bottom of our soap or lotion dispenser, whichever one you'd like to use it as. When I had you, I was okay. I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. All day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. And now we're going to do the same thing with our toothbrush holder, going all around the bottom half. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change our love. And now we're going to do the same thing with our little container here. Now we're going to go over each item with a second coat of Mod Podge to help seal in the glass filler so we have no foliage. And now I'm going to add some glitter to all the items, you guys, just to bling it out a little bit more. The small glitter. And now for our soap dish, we're just going to add some Mod Podge around the bottom and put some glitter on it. Just on the bottom part. Alright you guys, I've decided to get a candle holder for our soap dish, so I just elevated a bit. So we're just gonna add some Mod Podge around the bottom and add our crushed glass to the bottom part of the candle holder. And as you can see, you guys, it's not sticking very well. They're sliding off. I gotta think of something, but I'll be adding glitter going around the bottom also. And now we're going to take our round mirror and separate it from the frame and just use the mirror itself. We're going to glue it down to our Lazy Susan using the E6000 and some of the glue gun. And now we're going to take our stone gems and decorate our tray, going all the way around. And now I'm gonna make a little knob for the top of our container. I'm just gluing the crystal gems together. We're going around in a circle. Just glue them together and it makes a nice little knob. And then we're gonna use some E6000 and glue it down. And I'll let it sit overnight for 24 hours so the E6000 can dry. Yeah. And now we're going to add some gems going around the top of the soap or the lotion dispenser. And we're also going to bling out the top of the toothbrush holder also. Just going around the top. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they turned out very nice. I love how the crushed glass and the sparkles look together. Very nice. And isn't the little knob I made for the container lid really cute? That little square container, you can put cotton balls in it or Q-tips. You know, whatever little thing you'd like to add in there. But I think they turned out really nice. And I added the candlestick to the soap dish just to elevate it and give it a different look. I think it looks nice all tall, just like that. And here's how it looks on the washroom counter. I think it looks very nice. And do you guys like my flowers that I did? I used flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I got a tall vase and I just put them in. I think it looks very nice in the corner. Anyways, back to the tray. I think they look very nice here on the tray. And oh yeah, I didn't show you guys the tray in the other video. Yeah, here's the tray. All blingy and nice. And it rotates because it's on the Lazy Susan. I think it looks, I love how the set looks. It looks nice and blingy on my counter. And I just love it. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you with another lovely DIY for you guys to do for your home. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Less. Bye-bye, everyone. Baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see who knows. Baby,